Hi, I'm Jaros Olivar, a Filipino citizen. I created this video in order to express my gratitude to all people who volunteered to help our country. Thank you for helping the people of Tacloban, Leyte, Iloilo, and other places that affected by Yolanda. I am so glad that the spirit of being Filipino is still alive and working. This tragic situation that Yolanda's left is a big problem of our government. But I do believe God has a purpose why He let it happen. President Aquino, be strong, because this situation is just a test of your leadership and being a great lion. Thank you to those foreign countries who helped our victims of the said tragedy. Your presence cannot be paid by saying thank you, but I do believe God will bless your country and your fellow men. USA, Hong Kong, Singapore, Japan, Australia, Korea, and other countries that gave their sweat and hard working to present themselves with full heart. Thank you very much. In our place, we have started repacking relief goods and to give our hand in order to help them. Philippines will arise again and will start a new morning with smile. Don't lose hope. God is still there. He just challenged us of how long is our faith in Him. Just pray and seek what you want and God will say yes, no, and wait. Filipino, let's start again and find the glaring torch with our progress. Problems, consequences, trials, and challenges is not you in our mindset because that is the image of Filipino power.